Phoenix, Arizona.
Why you say it like that?
We just landed a couple hours ago. We left early this morning from New York, of course. We have picked up our rental car. It's actually a very nice rental car. And we're going to be here for 3 nights. We're going to be staying at a resort. And right now we're going to get some food. And since I like In-N-Out, we're going for In-N-Out. What?
The line is crazy. Like,
yeah, the line goes around.
I think I've been to In-N-Out
and around.
once or twice before, and it wasn't like this. Like, this drive-through line is wild, and inside is just as packed.
I'm eager to have some animal fries, and hopefully, it's not too long of a wait when we go. But as I'm speaking, there's cars wrapping around us going into In-N-Out. So we'll see what we can get. We've got animal style fries. We've got a double-double. All right, that's for you. And then this is my double-double, which is supposed to be animal style, but I don't know. It probably just needs sauce. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of onion in there. Look at that. All right, I just want to get a bite of these fries.
Was it worth getting both animal style though? Like, it doesn't take away the burger is animal style and the fries are animal style.
We'll find out.
And what's animal style?
I think it's the onions and the sauce. Just grilled onions and. That's good. That is a tasty burger. We are all done with In-N-Out. I loved it. I think it's like maybe my favorite burger place. Like, I like it more than Five Guys. I like it more than Shake Shack. It is delicious. And Christina, what did you think?
It's okay. It's not horrible. I like the burger more than the fries. I'm not a fan of the animal style, but I mean, it's good. I think they have a very small menu. They only technically do fries, burgers, and like shakes, I think. And so they do what they do well.
And it is delicious. All right, so we're going to head to the museum next. This museum was called Vaaki Museum. This museum is showing basically the Native Americans who were in the area, who were called the Hohokam. It's basically about the cultural items, how they ate, what type of tools they had, and we learned a lot about their culture, how their seasons were, what their way of life was like. This is determining how things were made. Right? So we have to guess which tool was used to make the object. So I said wooden paddle, and it looks like I'm correct. So wooden paddle and anvil. So, anvil. I'm gonna say drill point.
You're right.
Yep. Yarn. I'm gonna say B. Oh, wow. 3 for 3. At these guys. I'm gonna make some decisions.
There's baskets of different Native ingredients, Native American ingredients local to Arizona, and then you pick 4 and you make your plate. So Sean's gonna make his plate first.
Ooh, bison? They got bison?
You want the bison? Dang, smash the bison.
This would be like a big ass meal. That actually make me hungry, and we just ate. So I'm getting the taperi bean hummus and flatbread. So that would just be like an appetizer or whatever. A quesadilla, squash quesadilla, an appetizer also. And then steak salad. This is a big meal. a steak salad with seasonal vegetables, and finally, bison with 60-day corn puree, which looks fancy. There we go.
My meal is quail corn, and then it's a surf and turf. And then we have scallops with corn and bean succotash, stuffed squash blossoms, and then I got dessert, churro waffle with Sonorian white wheat. Yummy. Yummy.
We just explored the museum. Oh, well, the inside of the museum. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I think it's Sadav. This area was basically where the Hohokam people used to live, the Native Americans that were in this particular area. And this is like a museum that is showing like the history and some of the items that they used and some artifacts that were found and like the foods that they eat. And it's nice to know that respect is being paid to the Native Americans. So we're learning more about the Hohokam people, and right now we're walking the grounds, which should be showing a little bit more history. There's also like this trash mound thing that I saw that was like sediment layers of like different trash. So it's like modern trash, and then underneath it was like the Hohokam people and different eras of the Hohokam people, and then eventually got down to like a layer that was nothing basically. So that was very interesting. So we're gonna see what is out here on the outside of the museum. This museum was formerly called Pueblo Grande, but it was renamed in 2022 after a lot of council meetings and whatnot. And the name was likely changed just to respect the Native American people a little bit more. I'm assuming Pueblo Grande is like still what it's known as like around here, but they're currently changing all of the signs and all the logos and all of the marketing so that it's the new name, which I put on screen. And that's how close we are to the airport.
One of the interesting things is that the Hohokam people, they cultivated so many vegetables. So corn and beans and squash and other things that we use now. So they were like the number one cultivators of these things back in AD times. So this is the northwest portion of the compound, which includes rooms and open courtyards. Visitors to this ancestral place pass through a world of souls and spirits. Historically, the Oldham placed the palace stones on the top of the Vaaki, the platform bound, the shrine acknowledged the spiritual power of the spiritual leaders of which once lived here. This is a replica of the Adobe compound, and it says we can actually go inside this one. So let's check it out.
Okay, so this is what they look like on the inside.
Feel free to explore and touch objects inside the house.
It actually feels big in here.
It does, right? I mean, listen, there's some New York City apartments smaller than this.
And it's like a different temperature. It's like
It's cooler.
Yeah, it's cooler.
Yeah.
It's definitely protect you. There's like some airflow coming in.
Oh, what's this? Sean, what do you think that is?
I have no idea.
Look like chopsticks, right?
Maybe you could eat with these.
Oh, they're probably like ancient chopsticks. They were smart.
And then a spoon.
Let me see.
Right.
Oh yeah, probably a spoon.
Yeah. That, or, I mean, this could be one of the tools that's used to make other things. But it could be a spoon.
Oh look, rope. That's definitely a water, right? Is that a hole? Can you look? That's definitely like a water bottle. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Is there a hole at the top?
No.
Oh, that was a water bottle.
Also another hole down here. Broken. December 2023.
But that's a water jug.
Yeah. So you drink out of this. Somebody dropped it. Ooh.
We are done exploring both the inside and outside of the museum. It was definitely worth it. We paid $13 each to be here, and I would have paid even more for a guided tour. I'm not sure if it's an option or not, but having a guided tour really would have helped us learn more, get the pronunciation right, and really dive a little bit more into the history of the indigenous peoples of the Phoenix area. This is Roosevelt Row, y'all. Very specific reason I want to come here. And do you see it? Do you see it? Oh, Sean got wings. Hold on, y'all. Let me take his picture. But there you go. What are you doing? And this is who the mural is by. Let's go find some more. You like the cactus one? This one's beautiful. Hashtag Hugo's art. I guess we're doing a art tour of Roosevelt Row, y'all. I'm like, what is that? It's a floating shoe. No, it's a horse. It's way bigger than I thought. When I thought of Roosevelt Row, I didn't realize it was this huge.
I'm riding a Lime scooter. We don't do this in New York, so this is something special for us. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. This is only part 1.